Hi, I'm Charlotte. It's a rainy day in Los Angeles today, so I'm making Doobydobap's Ramen Fried Rice. Before we start, I'm gonna go over the ingredients real quick. I have cup ramen. So here we have 신라면 and samyangnamen. These two ramen are the two pillars of Korean ramen, I think. I know that Doobie used 신라면, and on another video she ate 새우탕면, but I really wanted to do samyangnamen. I think it would work well because samyangnamen has a very distinctive ham flavor, so I think it will work really well when it's a fried rice version. I have 2 eggs for each ramen, some scallions. She didn't use scallions in her recipe, but I always need scallions, green onions in my fried rice, so I'm adding it there. I have some pre-cooked cold rice that I made, I think, 2 days ago. And some 참기름, which is toasted sesame oil, and some just regular sesame seeds. So that's it. That's all we need. I don't know why I'm spelling it, but this is what samyangnamen has. I think the Korean shinramen cup noodle, it's a bit slimmer, like this size. I think this is the international or US version. I was surprised when I saw this at the market. I'm sure it tastes the same. Okay, so it has this soup packet. Very important. Ooh, shinramen has these big shiitake mushrooms dried. Okay, this one goes in here. These cups are very important, so I'm gonna set it aside. And I'm just gonna break it apart. Okay, how do I make this not pop? I would use a Ziploc, but I don't have a Ziploc right now. Oh, okay, if I grab it on the side, it's a bit easier. This cooking session turned into a little art session. Okay, that's better. Just use your hands. Okay, so I think that's good for shin ramen. This is thicker, so I think it'll be harder. Okay, this is harder than you think. Without a Ziploc, of course. It would have all made sense if I had Ziploc. Okay, so I think that's good enough. Now I'm gonna start cooking. So I have 2 preheated pans, and to it I'm adding some vegetable oil. I'm so sorry for the exposure situation. The sun is very uncooperative today, so I apologize. And here I'm adding the shinramen noodles. I'm adding the samyangnamen noodles. I'm gonna fry them until they're golden brown. Okay, I have some brown pieces, so for samyangnamen, I think I'm gonna stop here because I don't want to get burnt bits. I know not all of them are completely golden brown, but that's okay. Ooh. Oh no, I burnt this a little bit while I was moving it. But it's okay, it's just me eating it, so... Or, I mean, my husband. Oh no! Man, that happened fast. I should have just focused on one ramen. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Guys, I'm so sad. I probably shouldn't eat this. I've let this food, delicious food, go to waste. Moral of the story, don't try to do two. Just do one well. My samyangnameon noodles still look good, so I'm still gonna carry on with one. So to this ramen mix, I'm adding in the spice. I'm only gonna add about half of it, like this much, and then give it a good toss. I'm trying to mix the rice, but I'm not sure how much rice goes in here. Maybe this much? I think so. Add in the rest of the soup powder. I mean, it's okay. Oh, what's up, Charlie? Why? It's okay, come here. Charlie, what's going on? Now I'm going to start cooking this rice. I'm using the same pan, and to my pan, I forgot to introduce earlier, but I'm adding in some butter. And to my melted butter, I'm adding in the green onions. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of vegetable oil. Okay, now I'm adding in the rice. Smells delicious. Okay, now I'm adding in the toasted noodles. Okay, I'm trying to be careful because I don't want to burn anything anymore. Okay, I think that's about good. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. The sun has not been cooperative today. It's weird because it's Los Angeles, but we have these days too. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm just gonna plate my fried rice. Oh, wait. Some sesame oil. Okay, and some sesame seeds. I like mixing my sesame seeds. I think it makes it look more appetizing. I like a lot of sesame seeds. Then just gonna place them. Did I add too much rice in there? Maybe. We'll find out. But I think I have to really pack it in there to make that perfect cup shape. Okay. The moment of truth. Wow! That looks beautiful. That looks really good. Okay, now let's have a taste test. I don't want to break this beautiful shape. Ooh. Okay. It's good. The crunch is really nice. The only seasoning I put in there was the ramen packet. I might have put too much rice, but I think I wish I seasoned it a little bit and had a taste test, but that's for next time. Although I don't taste that ramen MSG flavor, it's still really delicious. It still has very full flavor of fried rice. Full flavor of fried rice. The only thing I wish was I tasted that ramen flavor a little bit more, but maybe I added too much rice. That could be it. I think this would be a wonderful recipe for when you're traveling. We've all had our fair share of experience eating cup noodles when we're traveling. This is a really easy way to make something different just with few additional ingredients. Try it.
Super good.
You love it? Super good?
Man. It's like everything I've been missing in my life.
Really?
Rice and ramen.
I'm so sad I failed the Shin Ramen version, but maybe I'll try again. But I did say I needed more seasoning, but I keep wanting to go for it more and more, right? Actually, I like that it's not really strongly seasoned like ramen flavor, like in your face. And it really does taste like I have all kinds of stuff in there. Although I only put scallions. But yeah, this is a really solid fried rice. Thank you, Tina, for this wonderful recipe. And thank you for watching this video. And if there are any other recipes that you want me to try, please comment down below. I'll see you next time. Bye.